We are moving again. We got it! We are officially in the new house. Okay, brace yourself. You walk inside the front door and then this is our entire kitchen. Now I know where you'll be hiding if I can't find you anywhere. Huge bathroom ensuite. Alan decided that he wants to move in tomorrow. Good morning.
All right, guys. Moving day. We got Dunkin' Donuts. We got a booger in Aaliyah's nose.
And we're just gonna stuff all the cushions in there. All right, U-Haul's here. We are in a rush today because we got a lot to do. Didn't have time to make myself a coffee, so pink lemonade it is. Hey babes, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, you guys. You guys saw it by the title. Yes, I cannot believe I am saying this, but we are moving again. I mean, at this point, it's really become like a yearly thing. 2 years ago in December, we bought our new house. Last year in December, we decided to move here to Florida. And then this year, we are once again moving to a different property here in Florida, which is crazy. But I'll tell you guys what briefly. Our lease is almost up on this home right over here. And as much as it's been really great, we are just really outgrowing the space. We actually found a place that we really loved on the first night of Hanukkah, which is crazy. We always see so many incredible miracles around this holiday time for us. But we called the landlord, we saw this place in person. We were obsessed. I never filmed it because I just really didn't think that we would love this place off the bat. But we're currently on the way to the new neighborhood. We're gonna do our HOA interview, which pretty much is just to make sure that we're normal people and we're not gonna cause any issues in the neighborhood. But we are so excited, you guys. I have a feeling, Eran, that they may actually tell us if we got accepted already today.
Really?
Yeah, I do.
Haley's been super duper impatient.
I've been so impatient just because
every day for the last 2 weeks. So
honestly, the place that we're staying in, I really do like it, but now that I know that there's another place that I like better, I just cannot wait for us to start living there. You know what I mean, Eran?
Yeah.
It's like so exciting.
A few moments later.
Eran, we got it! I know I'm literally talking as if we just bought a house or something, but you guys, honestly, I knew it. On the spot, we had the interview, we got approved. She already gave us like the key and the scanner for the car so we can enter and leave because it is a gated community. But you guys, we are so excited because now officially we can go and start doing everything in the place. Like we have access to it. So, Eran, I was like nagging him all day. Message the girl, asked to get the keys so we can already enter the house and see it. What? I want to show everybody our house, babe.
I understand, but it's called sablanut in Hebrew. Patience,
I know, I don't have that. We are so excited, you guys. Can't wait for you to see this place. It's definitely bigger than what we have now. So much natural light and I'm just so excited. You too, babe?
Yeah, I'm just not excited to move a bunch of crap now.
I know, but it's okay. We're gonna have a new place for our growing little family. Right, Naomi? Yeah, she's passed out. Alright, we just got back home. Elan is bringing Aaliyah in from the car. I wanted to show you guys, I actually got a baby carrier from Amazon and I gotta say, I used to be so intimidated by these because like, look at the instructions. She is so snug in there. She's already taking a nap, but this is honestly so good for us to be able to do things around the house. Now that we officially know that we're moving, I gotta do a lot of packing and a lot of like things with my hands basically. And this will definitely help a lot. Plus, she loves to contact sleep. So I think because of this, she's gonna be taking really good long naps, which is awesome. I love this. And it comes in like so many different colors too. Hi! Hi! Say hello! Hello! Oh, she wants to hug her. Emma, there's so much light in this place, we don't even need to turn on the lights.
Yeah, no, we really don't.
Guys, next day, we are officially in the new house. And you guys, I am so excited. I can't believe it. We're gonna show you guys around. We have little Naomi hanging out here with us. But, okay, brace yourself. You walk inside the front door, and then you have these humongous windows and super high ceilings. This is gonna be our entire living space. I'm obsessed with all the windows, and they also renovated, so they have like new floors here, which just reflects off so much light. So I'm obsessed with all of these windows over here and the super tall ceilings that have pot lights everywhere. I have a pantry. It's big. Wait, Eran, go inside so they can actually see how big that is.
This is a man cave.
Now I know where you'll be hiding if I can't find you anywhere. And then, if you continue that way, you have the next little part of the main floor. And as you guys can see, the windows are floor to ceiling and they're also rounded. And I just love all the details, especially the kitchen. Eran, I have my white kitchen again.
Yeah, I know.
It's so good. I already know there's a few things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace all of these knobs to put the black knobs like we have in our kitchen in Canada, remember? It's gonna make it look really good.
Take this off?
You literally just unscrew it and you put in the new knobs and it's gonna look so much nicer. There's gonna be a lot of like really nice renter-friendly videos coming up if you guys are in a place where you can't really change stuff up, but you do wanna make it look good. So this is our entire kitchen.
Oh, they have that thing there.
What? They have a carburetor? Okay, good. Oh, the sink is actually not that small.
They have it on this side.
The sink is actually not that small. I thought it was gonna be smaller. When we first came to see the house, we didn't want to show them that we were like too obsessed with it, obviously, because we were hoping to like land a good deal. So we didn't really like look at everything. We kind of just wanted to play it off like nonchalant, like we weren't super obsessed with it, which inside I was as soon as I saw it. But now that we're here alone, it's like better than I remember. What I love about this place compared to the last, before we kind of had a combination of living room, dining room, kitchen, all in one small space. And here, as you can see, there's like a nice separation between the living space and the kitchen space. And then we can have like a little dining table here, have a whole eating area, a place for Aaliyah to eat, a place for Aaliyah to play, and same with Naomi as she grows up. So I'm so excited. And like you saw, there's a pantry over there. There's some more storage here. And a ton of cupboards. Like there's a lot of storage in this place. Here we have the backyard, and the one thing I do know we're gonna have to do is maintain the grass. But here I love that we actually have tiles and stones so the girls can play here. We can do a little inflatable pool situation. All right, moving on. What we really loved about this place is that there was actually a guest bedroom on the main floor, and then the rest of the bedrooms are all upstairs, which is ideal because we wanted to have all the girls upstairs with us. We have one bathroom over here, and then our laundry room situation, which is good. And there's actually a lot of space to put like storage stuff here too. And then this will easily become one of Eran's favorite spaces. Want to tell them why?
My gym.
Yeah,
This is my Toronto gym.
I know. We have a huge 2-car garage. So Eran is gonna be obviously turning this into his own gym. So as you can tell, the one thing in this house they didn't do is like the upstairs is not fully renovated, and even the stairs. Personally, I don't really mind. But let's head on upstairs. Up here, we have 3 bedrooms. As you guys can see, we have like the wooden floors. I feel like it gives a more warm and like roomy space. So let's start off with the master. The rooms are not gigantic. I mean, the master bedroom that we have right now in our space is obviously a lot bigger, but personally we only really need space for a bed, not much else. But what we do have is a huge bathroom ensuite, like humongous. We got the tub, which is awesome, very useful to wash the girls. We got a stand-up shower. Oh wow, we have a closet for towels and stuff in the bathroom, which is really convenient. Double sinks, you know that we definitely need that. Bathroom in there, which I must say, it's really great to have a bathroom separated by a door in the washroom, because sometimes I want to get ready while Evan does his business, and this way he can do it privately. And we've also got 2 closets. We've got one in here, and then something that I personally love so much is that there's a closet inside the bathroom, and it's huge. Obviously we got to change out the light bulbs here, but huge closet. Like, you guys can't comprehend how big this actually is, which is my dream. I feel like this one's gonna be mine, the little one is gonna be Evan's. No, I'm just joking, we're probably gonna share. But I love having a closet off of the bathroom, because that way when you take a shower, you can like change and get ready in here before even getting into your room, and the mess kind of stays here. It doesn't go into the bedroom, which I love. Nice big beautiful windows, and they have blackout curtains everywhere, which I love. This is going to be the girls' bathroom, and then there's 2 bedrooms here. The smallest obviously will be Naomi's, the one a little bit bigger will be Aaliyah's. So here's one room, very big closets in every single room, like a lot. And then this is gonna be probably Aaliyah's room. Alright guys, it's the next day. Just made it back into the house. I'll tell you guys the plan. The fact that it's 9 o'clock at night right now and we have this kind of lighting in the house, this is literally insane. It feels like it's broad daylight right now. It's amazing. I'm gonna brief you guys on what's going on. Basically, we had Shabbat at home. It was great and beautiful. Elan decided that he wants to move in tomorrow, Sunday. Literally, he called up his friends and he's like, guys, we are getting a U-Haul and let's go and move tomorrow. So that's kind of the plan, meaning that I only had tonight to come by and actually clean the house. It's been empty for a little while, so there's kind of dust everywhere. So instead of getting a cleaning lady, I decided I might as well just go do it myself, burn off some calories. So I fed Naomi before I came. I did a Walmart order and we have all the cleaning supplies too. And we're pretty much just gonna pop in our headphones and get to cleaning the space so that it's ready for all the furniture to come in tomorrow. Alright guys, we did it. I tried to film more, but honestly, I'm on crunch time because my chest is literally a ticking clock. I have to go home and feed Aaliyah. I have to go home and feed Naomi, but I actually washed all the floors in the kitchen upstairs, dusted like all the windowsills and stuff also, and even scrubbed some of the bathrooms. So everything is pretty much ready for move-in day tomorrow. So I'm so excited, you guys. I already know that we're gonna have so many amazing memories in this space to come. Good morning from our previous households to what will soon be our new one.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
She's sleeping, Aaliyah. Actually, never mind, she's not. So, as I mentioned to you guys in the last video, today's actually Sunday. Eran, my husband, the love of my life, last minute decided that he wanted to move with like 3 days notice. So he basically gathered a bunch of his friends and family to help him out today. He's on his way right now to get the rental truck, and then they're gonna be heading on over here and starting to pick up all the big furniture, you know, so all the mirrors we have, dining table, couch, pretty much everything that we can't fit into a car. And then the smaller things like dishes and clothing and like all the other stuff that could be packed in small boxes. What they could take, they will, and what they can't, Eran will just take it in his car at some point. Cheers! L'chaim! Yeah. So my plan for today, my mother-in-law is on her way here with our cousin. They're gonna be helping out with the kids today because obviously me being here alone, it's gonna be really hard to like direct everybody with what to take and where to put it. And at the same time, I also want to pack some boxes so we can like be set and they can take as many things into the truck as they can. So we got a bunch of these Home Depot foldable boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them together, and then slowly I'm gonna start filling them up whenever I get a free moment. You guys, I can't believe I didn't even notice she just did this, but I called Erin quickly. I turn around and she's like, blanket, blanket. She took one of my old shirts and literally put it on her as a blanket. I just obviously still have to keep a good eye on her today because Aaliyah's still a toddler. She's not gonna understand that you can't put things like over her face and stuff like that. Okay, she got her actual blanket this time. You wanna get baby blanket? Guys, this is warming my heart. This is the cutest thing ever. Dada! Oh my gosh, yeah, no, we can't do that, my love. Are you ready to help me pack today? Yeah? Oh. Or use it as your snack holder, why not? Thank you.
What is that? Whoa, what is it?
Whoa, what is this?
Wow!
Wow!
I'm a birthday. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Hi to Ema?
Hi! Oh.
Hi! Please? Please? Can I take one? Yeah? All gone. Thank you. I'm so happy, you guys. My helpers have finally arrived. Eran's mom is here. And this is Haley. This is little Haley. I'm big Haley and she's little Haley. This is Eran's. Are you his cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah? And she's here to help take care of Aaliyah because Aaliyah loves to play with her. It's so funny. Eran's mom literally entered the house and the first thing, she's like, I need my lemon water. She has this ritual where every single morning she has to start it with lemon water. So I'm squeezing her some lemon water and I'm gonna mix it with some warm water for her to drink. That's how she says her digestive system works very well when she starts the mornings like that. So maybe I'll just make all of us some lemon water today.
Alright guys, moving day, we got Dunkin' Donuts. We got a booger in Aaliyah's nose that we need to take out. Ew.
Ew.
I know she's a
I
booger.
see the booger.
Ew, silly. Okay, you want to catch that? Okay.
Alright, U-Haul's here. Alright, we got two of the heaviest things from the nursery, the dresser and the chair. Now, they're working on the mattress. I love how the bottom is the heaviest part and you have 3 guys on top and 1 in the bottom. This guy tried to take our whole bed out. All the pieces of wood, it just fell out. When all else fails, TV does come in clutch. Guys, I made that bed myself, so please be careful with it.
Look like it.
What does that mean? Mom here is literally living her best life. You have the fun part, you're just watching her sleep. Alright, you guys know this big white couch that I got from Facebook Marketplace. Hi, Haley. And I do want to keep it white. So I actually got like a huge king size mattress protector and we're just gonna stuff all the cushions in there. Ready, Haley?
Yeah, got it.
Alright. Alright, like that.
This is like the best idea.
I know, right? Yeah, that's good. There we go. Daniel, if you actually throw that.
Watch the move, man. You thought you didn't even lift nothing. Nah, I'm kidding.
Not true.
We are on
Our like.
last straw. We've had the guys had to go back to their wives, another one back to his girlfriend, I don't know. And now we just had my mom just watch the kids while me and Haley load up the rest of the truck. This is our third trip. Just a bunch of racks, outdoor furniture, so I did the majority by myself. And yeah, we're just in the final stages. We're probably gonna sleep here one more night, and then hopefully tomorrow, God willing, we'll be sleeping at the new place. But we got a lot of packing and work to do, but I don't know if Haley's up for it anymore.
Babe, you're going faster than me. You ready? 3, 2, 1. And roll, and roll, and roll. Dang.
What's
The
been?
worst video you've ever got.
You're the worst I ever got.
Hey!
Love you. Alright, you guys, it is currently 11:22 p.m. Literally just been all day with the moving truck. We've done, I think, 4 trips already. We're 80% moved into the new house, but as you guys can see, there is some stuff, but it's slowly getting cleared out. All the rooms is kind of like a mess, but believe it or not, we're, like I said, 80% moved in. Haley's over here with baby Naomi. Hopefully tomorrow we'll already be sleeping there in the new place, right?
Huh?
Hopefully tomorrow we'll already sleep in the
I
new
feel
place.
very slow, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we both do so, but nonetheless,
We love you guys.
love you guys.
Thank you so much for following us with our chaoticness, and we're really
Our
excited
chaoticness,
for you.
our impulsiveness, they're like every year you guys are just doing
This
something.
is our 4th move in 2 years.
Yeah, that's crazy. 4th move in 2 years.
Insane. So hopefully you guys follow along with our chaoticness of getting settled into the new house. Let's just say we just took everything and dumped it into boxes, which is not what I wanted to do, but it's what ended up happening anyway.
No, we didn't do as bad. We put it in a box, but then once we open it, we'll know what to do with them. It's not a big deal.
It's gonna take a while, but stick around, you guys. That means lots of organization videos coming your way, and we love you all so much, especially the ones who stick around all the way till the end. What should we tell them to comment?
Boxes.
Boxes. That's a
Lots
good
of boxes.
one. So many boxes in this video. So if you are watching up to this point, you're the real MVP. We love you so much. Comment down below boxes.
I'm gonna take a well-needed shower and hit the sack. Love y'all.
Love you all.
Good night.